Hello, fourth graders. We are about to complete our third spelling test for Love Amalia. Just like before, I will read the word. I will say the word as the sounds that you should be hearing when you write them down, and I will read the word again. You will pause the video and then type the word in. Unpause when you're ready for the next word. At the end, I will read all the words back to you to make sure that you have all of them. Okay, here we go. Number 1, concerned, 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 concerned. Pause the video and type it in for number 1. Number 2 is containing, 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 containing. Pause the video and type it in for number 2. Number 3 is disheveled, disheveled, dish, eld, dish, eld, disheveled. Pause the video and type it in for number 3. Number 4 is transformation, 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 transformation. Pause the video and type it in for number 4. Number 5 is insisted, 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 insisted. Pause the video and type it in for number 5. Number 6 is discarded, 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 discarded. Pause the video and type it in for number 6. Now I will reread all 6 words to make sure you have them all. Number 1 was concerned, concerned. Number 2 was containing, containing. Number 3 was disheveled, disheveled. Number 4 was transformation, transformation. Number 5 was insisted, insisted. Number 6 was discarded, discarded. When you are confident and complete, go ahead and submit your test. Good luck.